Imagine surprising your loved ones with some awesome mustard mayonnaise made at home. If you have started disliking the taste of mayo that you get in supermarkets, this video is for you. And the key to making an awesome mayo is finding the right mix of sugar, salt, emulsifiers and oil used in it. I welcome all of you to my kitchen. I am really excited to show you the recipe of mustard mayonnaise. I'm gonna fill this glass with refined sunflower oil. It's rich in unsaturated fat, which is way better than the saturated fat. Well, in preparing this mustard mayo, I have made use of about 1.5 glass of oil. In goes 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. As you can see, I'm trying to mix this content, but it won't get blended easily. Now on to this mixie jar, I am adding 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I have also added 1 tablespoon of water to this. I forgot to take the footage. Do remember to add 1 tablespoon of water. Now in goes 4 cloves of garlic and 3 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Now it's time to crack open an egg and pour the content inside the blender. Now we stir the content that we have put inside the blender for about a minute, and this is what we get. At this time we will add the oil containing salt and sugar into the blender. We have set aside half a glass of oil. We'll be pouring it in after checking the consistency and only if needed. Now we're gonna blend all these ingredients together. And while this is blending, I would share the reason why I'm preparing this. Well, I'm very fond of the mustard mayo what you get in McDonald's, and it's so tasty. So I hope by the end of this video we'll be able to achieve a taste similar to that. So are we done now? Let me check for its consistency. No, I'm not happy with the consistency because it's going down way too easily when I'm turning the spoon. Now I'm gonna top it up with half a glass of oil that I had set aside. And I'm gonna blend these ingredients for about 1 more minute. Now while this gets blended, let me tell you the caloric value of mayo. About 1 tablespoon of mayo is equivalent to 100 calories. Wow! Have a look at this. This is the right consistency that we need for our mustard mayo sauce. Okay, now that the mustard mayonnaise is ready, it's time to transfer this into a vessel. Now, look at the texture of the mayo sauce that we have prepared. I am already drooling. How about you? This reminds me of the cheese that you get in cheese burst pizza. Wow! Look at this. Isn't it really tempting?